drunk. And you're an idiot.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you are.
You're drunk.
A late-night traffic stop in Little Rock led to a driving under the influence investigation. Arkansas State Police Trooper, First Class Jacob Byrd, initiated contact with a female driver following erratic behavior on the roadway.
Maybe Robert.
No return on Robert. I tried Lincoln Ocean, but it gave me a ownership ceased return on Springdale.
They're following the hill right now. Coming up to, we just passed Stagecoach.
Copy past Stagecoach. Survey, the next half 1063 for Adam 16.
Coming up to 128. Speeds are 45. Traffic.
Then that's the 128. 40 speeds are 45, no traffic.
Talking to 16 on, baby. Tell that caller to back off. I'm with 16 now. Still westbound, passing QT, speed about 35.
Westbound, passing QT, speed 35.
Alright, call her
Yeah, I
out.
was gonna crash it, we're gonna start.
Give us a name.
Turn around and walk to us normal. Just walk to us.
Turn around for this. Because you're drunk. And you're an idiot.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you are.
You're drunk.
Yeah, you are.
1015 was up to million. Clear that, 1015.
Start the film.
Start the 1011.
She was transported to the local detention center and officially processed. The final charges include driving under the influence, bringing an abrupt end to her night out. Trooper Peoples clocked a blue Nissan Sentra traveling at 94 miles per hour on Interstate 40. The driver pulled over but gave a false name, and as soon as he was asked to step out of the car, he chose to flee.
How you doing, man? Why you going so fast behind me? All right. Does John license on you? You have an ID or D15? I got one taken off.
Did you say
248 eastbound. Just passing on the shoulder.
So you did say eastbound?
TV today.
If we ping you, let's talk to us and keep us updated where you're at.
248. 249 west, eastbound. He's trying to run. TVI. Well, they don't fight that long. Get in. I already called. Okay. I don't hear you on traffic, so I'm just checking.
241, 40.
Hey, it's all right. I was trying to get him out the car. License was wrong. And I asked him to step out for it. He searched the car. They towed it. They gave him a citation and he go by his way, but he did this, so. Well, might be a little more too. Yeah, I saw a bag in there. I'm trying to see.
The driver was identified as Brendan Durr and was booked into the St. Francis County Detention Center. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed a bag of ammunition, and Durr leaves behind $20,000 in property damage.